Alright, so in this video, we will learn how to synchronize the video with the audio file shot at the same time. So for that, I have an audio and a video file imported. So what I'll do next is I'll right click to the clip and select new sequence from clip. So right off the bat, I'll remove the empty unnecessary tracks by selecting all of them and create a new audio track by dragging this down a little bit. And now what I'll do is I'll add this audio track to the new layer. So if you take a look closely, you will see a little shift that's going on here. So what I'll do next is I'll select both of them, right click and choose synchronize. And if you notice, you will see a little shift that's going on here. So what it did is it perfectly synchronized with the video file based on its video waveform. So that was it. Like this video if you found this useful, put something in the comment section, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.